One of the things that I noticed when I used to work for a tech company before becoming a lawyer was how often the team that I was working for had to interact with lawyers at the company. And I just saw what kind of influence they had, what kind of difference they would make, and how involved they were in different aspects of the company. Right after law school, I worked for the state attorney's office. And at the state attorney's office, I had the opportunity to work for a lot of talented trial lawyers. You know, when you work at the state attorney's office, you get the opportunity to take on a bunch of cases to trial. And it was a great chance for me to really hone in on my trial skills and really develop them that ultimately I would use working at another law firm representing insurance companies. Whenever a client first comes into Farah and Farah, one of the first things we do very early on in the case is determine what we need to do to get this case ready for a trial. Because whenever you're preparing to best prepare your client for success, you have to think what will have to happen at the end. I think I'm a successful attorney because I work really hard. And I think this type of work requires somebody who's very dedicated to their craft and understands that this isn't something that happens overnight. Anything that involves litigation or going up against large corporations is a long fight. One thing that you can definitely expect as far as a commitment from our office and all of the lawyers here is that we are going to be there for you no matter what, any time of day. One of the beauties about working with Farah and Farah is that you are directly connected with your legal team at any time. You have my personal phone number whenever you need anything. You have my team's personal phone numbers if you ever need anything from them. I think winning comes in different shapes and sizes and forms and discussions. And I think when people hear winning, they think that that just means some crazy, result one way or the other. For us, we look for what is the best win for that individual client, because it's not going to be the same result for every single client. There's different sets of facts and circumstances that make each individual client's story personal to them, and that might require something unique to them. One advantage that sets Farah and Farah apart is the fact that we understand the communities that we're in and understand the people that make up those communities and are there to provide the best representation possible because of that. There's lots of attorneys out there, there's lots of law firms out there, but when you think about Farah and Farah, I think about the quality of the representation that you're going to get and the fact that you're going to be directly connected with professionals who are devoted to you, because our clients are not seen as file numbers or letters or anything like that. They are who they are, their names. When you call us, you say, here's my name, can I speak to my legal team? Not here's my file number, not here's my client number. You are a valued client of the firm when you sign up with us, and we are the people that are gonna do everything that it takes to have the best representation for you.